Pangolin is an ancient species that has lived on the earth for tens of millions of years. Being able to survive on the earth and live in peace with nature, pangolin has definitely made indelible contributions to maintaining ecological balance. It is of great significance to the environmental protection of the whole earth. Looking at the appearance, pangolin is covered with scales. When it is sleepy, it will often curl up into a small ball. When it walks, it will be like a small Tyrannosaurus rex. It is also very cute. In a BBC documentary, a lovely young pangolin was rescued from a window by members of a wildlife protection organization. This cute young pangolin, like naughty children, often does all kinds of damage in the home of animal protectors. Pangolin is a mammal like human beings, and it has the same maternal instinct as human beings. Before being rescued, this young pangolin and his mother had been abused by human beings. In order to prevent their children from being hurt, this young pangolin's mother held her child tightly in her arms and only let herself be beaten by human malice. After being rescued, the mother of this young pangolin no longer believes that human beings have escaped, leaving only the young pangolin. Now this lovely young pangolin lives happily in humans' home, and the BBC also shows all its stupid scenes in front of the camera, which is full of power all over the world. Such a lovely species, under the wanton killing of human beings, even showed a desperate side. Pangolins have almost no natural defense ability, which makes them easy targets for hunters. Pangolin is the largest trafficked wild mammal in the illegal wildlife trade. Unless strict protection measures are taken, these unique creatures may disappear in our lifetime. Pangolin Day is held on the third Saturday of February every year. World Pangolin Day aims to educate people about pangolins and lobby governments to take action against pangolins poaching and trafficking. World Pangolin Day is an important opportunity for us to speak out for pangolins and demand that the illegal pangolin trade be stopped. Our voice and actions can play a role in protecting these unique scaly ant-eaters. February 17 is World Pangolin Day. This is our painting we drew for this special day with oil pastels. I wish Pangolin Day a beautiful world. Cheers!